Hey guys, in this guide I'm going to show you how to change your AT&T mobile number, and it's really easy and simple. So to change this, what you can do is you can go and log into my AT&T account. You can do this online, then you want to scroll, or you can do this of course on your app as well, and then scroll to manage wireless and select the device you actually want to change. And then choose my wireless device options, then choose change number. And here you can pick a area code that you want to change the number to. So pick whatever area code you want the number for, the city, state, zip code, for example. And then you have to see, and you have to be paying a $36. They will charge that on your account. And if you want to transfer a number to AT&T, what you can do is go to your AT&T account overview, scroll to my devices, and you're going to find the device you actually want to transfer a number to, and go ahead and select manage device. And then what you're going to do, guys, is you want to choose options and settings, and then choose change phone number. Click on select transfer a number to AT&T, and you want to just follow the prompts they give you. Follow along step by step. And before you start moving a number, you can go ahead and check your current carrier's transfer requirements. And basically, guys, the Federal Communications Commission, basically the FCC, prevents your current cell phone company from refusing to refusing to let you keep your number or change it. So don't worry, you can easily switch numbers. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.